Every night, billions of humans shut down for hours.
Every night, billions of humans shut down for hours. No hunting, no working, no defending themselves. It seems dangerous, yet every human on Earth must sleep. But why? Sleep is not simply turning off. While your body rests, your brain becomes extremely active. It repairs cells, organizes memories, balances hormones, and cleans itself. Humans move through different stages of sleep every night. Light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep, where dreams happen. During deep sleep, your body begins repairing itself. Muscles recover, cells regenerate. Even tiny damage inside your organs gets fixed. Sleep also restores your energy. Without enough sleep, your body struggles to produce energy efficiently. That's why exhaustion feels heavier after sleepless nights. Sleep controls important hormones. It affects hunger, stress, growth, and even emotions. Poor sleep can make people angry, anxious, and constantly hungry. Every day, your brain collects massive amounts of information. During sleep, it organizes and stores memories like files in a computer. Scientists discovered that the brain actually cleans itself during sleep. Toxic waste products are flushed away through a special system called the glymphatic system. Dreams mostly happen during REM sleep. Scientists still don't fully understand dreams, but they may help process emotions and strengthen memories. After just 24 hours without sleep, concentration drops sharply. Reaction time slows. The brain begins making more mistakes. Long-term sleep deprivation is dangerous. It increases the risk of heart disease, obesity, diabetes, depression, and memory problems. Extreme sleep deprivation can even cause hallucinations. The brain becomes unstable when it goes too long without rest. Most adults need around 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Good sleep improves learning, mood, immunity, and overall health. Humans can survive weeks without food, but only days without sleep. Sleep is not laziness. It is one of the most important biological functions of life itself. Tonight, while you sleep, your brain will repair, recharge, and prepare you for another day of survival. Sleep is your body's secret reset button. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more science and human body animations.